Good day, sir. I will explain how it works. So, this is the question or the problem. So, you are a network engineer tasked with designing a small office network that connects three departments, HR, IT, and sales. HR, IT, and sales. Each department has two computers. One is wired, one is wireless, and one printer, and need access to a wireless server and printer. And you must also create a separate wireless network with three mobile phones connected to a router to act as free Wi-Fi for the customers. Rounds the password of all routers must be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 at tignan natin. Dito, 'di ba sabi sa question, each department has two computers. One is wired, one is. So, tingnan natin ito. Ito, sa ano to? Sa HR. Tingnan natin, sa HR to. Sa HR, may isang wired, may isang wireless. So, good. And then next is sa IT. One piece in wired and one piece in wireless. So, ito. So, sa next, ito na rin yung so, ito sa sabi dito, you must also create a separate wireless network with three mobile phones para to dito sa phone para in, ang sikreto dito para hindi ma-connect yung smartphone mo sa ibang router para hindi yes, dapat tong router palitan mo ng name. Oo. Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. Let's see. Yun. Punta ka dito sa config. Yun, config. And then, dito sa wireless. Yun. Dito sa wireless, may nakalagay na SSID. So, default. So, tignan natin sa isang router kung parehas sila. Dapat, hindi yan sila parehas para hindi malito ang kukunika ng isang computer at isang cellphone. Kuha? Yes, sir. Like dito, tingnan natin. Para default. So, dapat naka-password ito. Itong WP2PSK. Yan. Dapat yan naka-password. And then, yung default, palitan natin ng ibang pangalan para hindi malito-lito yung kukunika ng isang cellphone at PC. So, lagyan natin dito, Wi-Fi yan. Yun, Wi-Fi yan. Then, wait lang. Tama yan. Dapat palitan to. It's important to change the SSID to hindi malito yung So, yan mo, i-connect. Di ba nawala kasi pinalitan na natin. So, para ma-connect mo siya, dito ka pumunta sa desktop, tapos PC wireless. Ito, PC wireless. Go to PC wireless, connect, and then refresh. Kasi dalawang wifi, dalawang lalabas dito ngayon. Yun. So, dapat dito tayo na-connect sa isang router. So, nilagyan natin ng ECD name. So, ito na, wifi yan. Para hindi ka malito kung saan mo i-connect. So, ito na yun. Connect mo lang. Password nun, 129. And then, connect. And, yun. Tingnan nyo. Connect na. That's simple. And then, sundan mo lang yun as usual. Ganun pa rin. Connect. refresh, refresh lang. Yun, to Wi-Fi yan. And connect natin, connect. Password nun, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then, connect. Next, itong isa. Ganun pa rin. Same. Wireless, connect, then refresh, and the name you put, the Wi-Fi yan, connect, and the password you put, then connect. Yun, correct. So, try natin kung gagana ba. Let's try. Wait, delete muna natin para walang sagabal. So, let's try. Try natin kung gagana ba yun ginawa natin. Let's see dito sa PC1 to PC2 sa wireless. Yun, successful. So, di ba? So, dapat, kung dito natin connect sa smartphone, dapat failed siya kasi hindi sila same ng router. Tingnan mo ha. Yun, di ba? Failed kasi iba sila ng router. It is different routers. So, yun, hindi sila magkoconnect. So, yun lang. At maraming salamat. Salamat sa papununod. Hanggang sa uli natin pagkikita. Paalam.
Side. Yun, no? Oh, di mo